Right, today I'm reinstating this suspended ceiling in the bathroom. Someone done it before me, but they didn't do a very good job. They forgot to insulate it. So if you look in the corner above the shower where it got steamy, all the hot moist air was hitting a cold spot and causing black mould. So when I do it, I'm going to insulate it so that doesn't happen. Now, I've refixed the battens to the wall. It's 4x2 timber. I've screwed and plugged it into the bricks, and then I've put 4x2s and the odd 3x2 and fixed them into there by stitching the screws in on the diagonal. I made sure all my electrics are done. They'll be ready to pull down through the plasterboard, ready for the spotlights. So I've got a temporary light fixed up at the minute, and that'll feed all the spotlights. I've also got another one here which will go to a bathroom chandelier. Very posh. Right, I've put the joists in on 450mm centres because the plasterboards I'm using are 900 by 1800, only because the bathroom's only 1800 wide, so it wasn't worth buying full sheets. When you're insulating the ceiling, a little tip I've got is to stop the insulation falling out from between the joists. Just get a bit of duct tape, wrap it over your joist, over your next one, and then you'll find the insulation will just sit on there and it won't fall down. Right, all the insulation's up now. So now I need to poke holes through and pull the wires through and make space ready for the spotlights. That's ready for the spotlight now. Right, I'm screwing these plasterboards up using 50mm plasterboard screws. I'm using a plasterboard bit as well. It sinks the head just below the surface, so when you skim it, you don't catch it with your trowel. I'm putting them roughly about every 6 inches or 150mm. Stop any sagging in the board. Right, so there's the ceiling, all plasterboarded out. And now I'm going to plaster it. Right, that's the ceiling now. It's been skimmed with 2 coats of multi-finish. Just got to wait for that to dry. And then the next step is to miscoat it. So after I miscoated the ceiling, I give it another 2 coats of paint and put the coving up. I drilled through for the spotlights and then I put the chandelier up. And I think you'll agree it looks a lot better than it did. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.